Hello and welcome back to the Chop Busters. Today we're checking out 20 amazing tools you can get for under $100. These picks are budget-friendly, practical, and perfect for anyone looking to upgrade their toolbox without spending a fortune. Let's get started. VEVOR Pipe Blockage Detector. The VEVOR Pipe Blockage Detector, priced at $63.99, uses electromagnetic induction and a 100-foot signal line to accurately locate clogs in both metal and non-metal pipes. It can detect blockages up to 40 centimeters deep in non-metallic pipes and up to 15 centimeters in metallic ones. Designed for tough conditions, it features IP67 waterproofing and includes 8 spare waterproof probes. Sensitivity can be adjusted to widen or narrow the detection range, and it offers up to 10 hours of transmitter use and 5 hours for the receiver. Digital Angle Gauge and Level. The Digital Angle Gauge and Level, priced at $29.97, is a compact and versatile tool designed for accurate angle and level measurements. It features a reverse contrast, auto-rotating display for easy reading in low light, and a strong magnetic base for hands-free use on metal surfaces like pipes, ducts, and saw blades. V-groove edges ensure proper alignment on curved surfaces. Pressure Washer. The Ryobi 1.8 GPM pressure washer is designed for car care, offering strong water flow for deep cleaning. It features a compact, low-vibration handle for comfort and control. Included are specialized nozzles, a foamer for soap application, and a 40-foot hose for extended reach. It's also great for general outdoor cleaning. The nozzles attach directly to the handle for quick changes, and the metal spray wand adds durability. Price, $125. Laser Measure. The Laser Measure, priced at $33.99, offers precise distance measurements up to 100 feet with an accuracy of 1/16 inch. It features a simple 2-button design, one for measuring and one for rounding, and can display results in meters, feet, inches, fractions, or decimals. A bright backlit screen with large icons ensures easy reading, even in dark spaces. Compact and pocket-sized, it's ideal for quick, on-the-go measurements. Half-inch Hammer Drill Kit. The 1/2-inch hammer drill kit, priced at $59, features a powerful motor delivering 280 unit watts out for a range of drilling and fastening tasks. It offers a 2-speed gearbox for flexibility and control and a 1/2-inch keyless chuck for quick bit changes. An integrated LED light enhances visibility in dark areas. The kit includes a 20-volt max lithium-ion battery for strong runtime and performance, plus a charger that fully powers the battery in 60 minutes or less. Pass-Thru Modular Crimper. The Pass-Thru Modular Crimper, priced at $49.37, is a versatile tool designed for voice and data cable installations using Pass-Thru RJ45 plugs. It combines a wire stripper, crimper, and cutter in one, making it ideal for STP/UTP data cables. The tool provides precise flush trimming at the connector end to ensure clean, reliable connections. A full-cycle ratchet mechanism ensures secure and complete terminations every time. Dual-function lighted creeper. The Ryobi dual-function lighted creeper, priced at $128.25, is a versatile tool for automotive and workshop tasks. It easily converts from a creeper for undercar work to a seat with a single touch. 2 built-in LED lights provide up to 800 lumens with flood and spot modes for optimal visibility. It features a 5-position adjustable headrest, chemical-resistant cushions, and durable 3-inch casters for smooth movement. Easy Change Faucet Tool. The Easy Change Faucet Tool, priced at $26.36, is a multifunctional plumbing tool designed for easy installation and removal of undersink faucets. It works with common faucet types, shutoff valves, supply lines, and basket strainers. A 6-sided cubed insert fits various nut sizes without damaging finishes, while the cylindrical insert handles single-hole mountings and strainer baskets. The notched handle fits multiple basin mounting nut tabs, and an open slot allows it to clear supply lines. Bosch Router. The Bosch Colt Palm Router, priced at $89, features a powerful 1-horsepower, 5.6 ampere variable speed motor with a range of 16,000 to 35,000 RPM, ideal for precision routing tasks. It includes a straight edge guide for clean cuts up to 3 5/8 inches from the edge and an angled cord exit for easier handling. Built with a durable aluminum fixed base, it offers stability with finger support pockets for edge work. Bosch Pocket Driver. The Bosch Pocket Driver, priced at $69, packs professional-grade power into a compact, lightweight design weighing just 1.4 pounds. Its motor delivers 265 inches per pound of torque with a maximum speed of 1,300 RPM, ideal for driving tasks in tight spaces. The 2-speed transmission offers both a low and high setting for control and versatility. VEVOR Pipe Tube Bender. The VEVOR Pipe Tube Bender, priced at $66.99, is a versatile ratcheting tool designed for bending soft copper and aluminum pipes from 1/4 to 7/8 inch up to 90 degrees in both directions. Ideal for plumbing, HVAC, and hydraulic systems, it includes 7 interchangeable dies, a reverse bending tool for tight spaces, a pipe cutter, deburring tool, and more. Its aluminum alloy head prevents deformation, while an extra-long ergonomic handle boosts leverage and reduces fatigue. KIMO Power Washer. The KIMO 20 volts portable power washer is a lightweight, cordless cleaning tool ideal for home and car use. Weighing under 4 pounds, it features a 2-in-1 adjustable handle grip and a 0 to 160-degree water flow nozzle for customized spray angles. With max pressure of 250 psi and water flow of 180 liters per hour, it handles tasks like washing cars, decks, grills, and driveways efficiently. It includes low or high-speed control and a 17-feet hose that draws water from buckets, pools, or lakes, offering flexibility without being tethered to a tap. WEP Plastic Welder Kit. The WEP Plastic Welder Kit, priced at $20.99, is an affordable and efficient solution for repairing cracks in ABS plastics like car bumpers, dashboards, and gas tanks. It includes the WEP 960-V plastic welder, 200 hot staples for various crack types, a cutter, and an LED light for low-light visibility. The welder heats staples quickly, allowing you to embed and fuse broken plastic parts in seconds. Greenworks Hammer Drill. The hammer drill, priced at $64.99, features a powerful brushless motor delivering 530 inch-pounds of max torque, 25% more efficient than comparable 20-volt models. A half-inch keyless ratcheting chuck allows fast 3-second bit changes, while a 20-position clutch prevents overdriving screws, reducing fastener replacement costs. STREBITO Mini Electric Screwdriver. The STREBITO Mini Electric Screwdriver, priced at $41.99, offers precise control with 3 torque settings and a manual torque of 5 Newton meters. Powered by a 650 mAh lithium battery, it drives over 1,000 screws per charge and recharges via USB-C in just 1 hour. The 144-piece kit includes 136 bits, 13 repair tools, and both electric and manual drivers, ideal for electronics, consoles, laptops, and more. Lightweight with a pen-style grip and built-in LED lighting, it's user-friendly and neatly organized in a magnetic case. Drill Driver and Impact Driver Kit. This 12-volt cordless impact driver kit delivers 886 inch-pounds of torque with variable speed up to 2,800 RPM, making it ideal for tightening or loosening screws, bolts, and nuts efficiently. Weighing only 2.3 pounds, it's lightweight and compact, perfect for beginners or tight workspaces. It features a 1-hour fast charger, LED work light, and a 1/4 inch hex chuck for quick bit changes. Metabo Impact Driver. This compact and lightweight 12 volts impact driver, priced at $100, delivers pro-level performance in tight spaces. Weighing just 1.8 pounds and only 5.3 inches long, it features a brushless motor with up to 1,240 inches per pound of torque, 3,200 RPM, and 4,000 BPM. Includes 2 2.0 ampere batteries with fuel gauges and 30% longer runtime. The 1/4 inch keyless hex drive allows quick bit changes, while a variable speed trigger ensures precise control. Built-in LED light provides visibility in low-light workspaces. VERSACUT. The VERSACUT compact circular saw, priced at $85.79, is a versatile and lightweight cutting tool designed for effortless one-handed operation. With a powerful 3,500 RPM motor, it easily handles wood, aluminum, tile, and vinyl siding. Its slim rear motor design offers excellent balance for precise cutting, while the quick depth adjustment knob allows for smooth transitions between tasks. A built-in laser guideline ensures straighter cuts, and the dust extraction port helps maintain a clean workspace. Black-Decker Circular Saw with Laser Cut Line Guide. The circular saw with laser cut line guide, priced at $57.99, combines power and precision in a lightweight, user-friendly design. Its 13-amp motor delivers strong, efficient cutting performance suitable for a variety of tasks. The built-in laser guide helps ensure accurate cuts by clearly illuminating the cutting path. With its corded design, the saw provides continuous power for extended projects without interruption. Handheld Hedge Trimmer Kit. The Handheld Hedge Trimmer Kit, priced at $100, is equipped with 18-inch rust-resistant dual-action blades capable of cutting branches up to 0.6 inches thick while reducing vibration by up to 40% compared to single-action blades. Powered by a 250-watt electric motor, delivering up to 2,800 RPM, it offers reliable cutting performance for trimming hedges and shrubs. OX Pro 5-Piece Chisel Set. The OX Pro 5-Piece Chisel Set with signature grip, priced at $54.83, is designed for durability and comfort during woodworking tasks. Each chisel features the OX signature rubber grip for superior ergonomics and shock absorption, reducing fatigue during extended use. A large striking surface at the handle's end ensures better impact transfer when struck with a hammer or mallet. That's it for our list of 20 great tools under $100. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to the Chop Busters for more tool guides and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.